Are you planning to upgrade your PC and confused between DDR4 and DDR5 RAM? In this video, I'll explain the key differences, benefits, and which one is best for you in 2026. DDR4 is the previous generation of RAM and has been widely used for many years. It offers reliable performance, lower cost, and is perfect for budget gaming and everyday computing. DDR5 is the latest generation of RAM. It provides faster speeds, higher bandwidth, lower power consumption, and better support for modern processors. DDR4 typically runs up to 3,200 megatransfers per second, while DDR5 starts at 4,800 and can go much higher. DDR5 also supports larger memory capacities and delivers better performance in gaming, video editing, and multitasking. Choose DDR4 if you're building a budget PC, upgrading an older system, or looking for the best value for money. Choose DDR5 if you want maximum performance, future-proof hardware, faster multitasking, and the best experience for gaming and content creation. In 2026, DDR5 is the best choice for new PC builds. However, DDR4 still offers excellent value for budget users. Remember, DDR4 and DDR5 are not compatible with the same motherboard.